Good evening and welcome to today's class. Now today we're going to look at page 80, exercise 1. It's a grammar exercise. Now page 80 is the start of file 10C, which is called Mr. Indecisive. Let's look at the picture. The man is thinking, go to the party or stay at home, car or taxi, get there early or get there late. What's his problem? He can't make a decision. He's indecisive. He's indecisive. And look at the woman. What is she thinking? She's thinking, oh, come on, make up your mind. No, venga, ya, decídete, make up your mind. Decídete, no, decidirse, to make up your mind. Now, page 80 looks a bit like this. We've got some grammar and some pronunciation. Right now, we're going to look at exercise 1, which is grammar, and it's all about the modal verb might. No, otro verbo modal, no, modal verb might. Let's have a look at letter A. Do you know anybody who is indecisive? What are they indecisive about? Well, I have to say, sometimes when I go shopping, I'm a little indecisive because I can't make up my mind, no, which product to buy. Does that happen to you? Now, let's have a look at letter B. It says, cover the dialogue and listen. What does Adrian decide in the end? Are you ready to listen? No cheating. Sin hacer trampa, tapamos ese diálogo. Vamos a ver.
4.48.
Hi, Adrian.
Oh, hi, Tina.
It's Alice's party tonight. You are going, aren't you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I might go, but I might not. I can't decide.
Oh, come on. It'll be good. Lots of Alice's friends are going to be there. You might meet someone.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I'll go then.
Great. Shall we get a taxi there?
No, I'll take my car. Oh, no. Wait, it might be difficult to park. Let's get a taxi.
Fine. What time shall I get the taxi for? 9:30?
Yes. No. Listen, I'll take my car. I'll pick you up at 9.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. I think.
Well, what does Adrian decide in the end? Well, he decides to take his car, no? Oh, car, taxi. Well, he decides to take his car. Now, before we move on, let's look at the picture. Can you see? Because I have chosen this especially for you, no? Because it says here, can you see? Yeah, if you could stop being so indecisive, that'd be great. Now, what do we have here? Conditional type 2, no? Que es condicional tipo 2, no? And we have also stop followed by ing, ¿no? El stop más el ing, que es dejar de hacer algo, ¿no? O sea que si pudieras dejar de ser tan indeciso, eso sería genial, ¿no? Es un tipo 2 con un verbo más ing. Muy bien. Now, let's continue, shall we? Now, exercise C, let's move on to exercise C. It says listen again and complete the dialogue. Are you ready? Take a moment to read if necessary. If not, let's go.
4.48.
Hi, Adrian.
Oh, hi, Tina.
It's Alice's party tonight. You are going, aren't you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I might go, but I might not. I can't decide.
Oh, come on. It'll be good. Lots of Alice's friends are going to be there. You might meet someone.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I'll go then.
Great. Shall we get a taxi there?
No, I'll take my car. Oh, no. Wait, it might be difficult to park. Let's get a taxi.
Fine. What time shall I get the taxi for? 9:30?
Yes. No. Listen, I'll take my car. I'll pick you up at 9.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. I think.
Now again, listen again if necessary, but we're going to keep moving. Now, let's correct, shall we? Now it says listen again and complete the dialogue. Okay, and it says then we'll listen again. So here we have our dialogue, no? So Tina says, hi Adrian, and Adrian says, oh hi Tina. And Tina says, it's Alice's party tonight. You're going, aren't you? And Adrian says, I don't know. I'm not sure. I might go, but I might not. I can't decide. No, and then Tina says, oh, come on. It'll be good. Lots of Alice's friends are going to be there. You might meet someone. Ah, yes, that's true. Okay, I'll go then. Great. Shall we get a taxi there? No, I'll take my car. No, wait. It might be difficult to park. Let's get a taxi. Fine. What time shall we get the taxi for? 9:30? Yeah, yes, no. Listen, I'll take my car. I'll pick you up at 9. Are you sure about that? Yes, I'm sure, I think. Now that we've completed the dialogue, let's listen again.
4.48.
Hi, Adrian.
Oh, hi, Tina.
It's Alice's party tonight. You are going, aren't you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I might go, but I might not. I can't decide.
Oh, come on. It'll be good. Lots of Alice's friends are going to be there. You might meet someone.
Yes, that's true. Okay, I'll go then.
Great. Shall we get a taxi there?
No, I'll take my car. Oh, no. Wait, it might be difficult to park. Let's get a taxi.
Fine. What time shall I get the taxi for? 9:30?
Yes. No. Listen, I'll take my car. I'll pick you up at 9.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. I think.
So there's our dialogue. Now let's look at exercise D. Exercise D says, Adrian phones Tina later. What happens? Are you ready to listen?
4.49.
Adrian, where are you? It's nearly 9:30.
Sorry, Tina. Listen, I've changed my mind. I'm not going to go to the party.
I don't believe it. You are the most indecisive person I've ever met.
Well, I suppose I could go.
Ah!
Well, what happens? Tina is waiting for Adrian, who is half an hour late, and he has changed his mind again. No? Ha cambiado de idea. He has changed his mind again. Tina doesn't sound very happy. Sure she doesn't? Now, let's have a look at exercise D. It says underline the verb phrases in the dialogue with might. So here we have, no? Adrian says, I might go, I might not. Then Tina says, you might meet someone. And Adrian says, it might be difficult. Now, did you find them? Now, the question is, do we use them for an obligation or a possibility? And in English, we use might for a possibility. Now, it's almost like saying, es posible que o puede que. No, I might go, puede que vaya o puede que no. Es posible que vaya o es posible que no. No, so we are talking about possibility. Now, open the grammar bank, please, on page 144. Now we're going to look at 10C, might and might not, for possibility. Now remember, I told you in the beginning that might is a modal verb. So it's going to behave like all the other modal verbs. No, os he comentado antes que es un modal verb, ¿no? Un verbo modal, como can, como could, como should, como must, ¿no? Los que hemos visto hasta ahora, o sea que se va a comportar de la misma forma que estos otros modal verbs. Let's take a look. Now,
4.50.
We might have a picnic tomorrow, but it depends on the weather.
She might come with us, but she's not sure yet.
I might not go to the party. I haven't decided yet.
You might not see him today. He's coming home late.
Now, so there we have 2 sentences in affirmative, no? And 2 sentences in negative. Now, let's have a look at the use. It says, use might or might not plus a verb, which is the infinitive without to, no? El should, ¿cómo se usa? Infinitive without to. El can, ¿qué va detrás del can? El infinitivo without to. Y el must, pues lo mismo, ¿no? Son los modal verbs, son de la misma familia y tienen la misma forma de usarse, ¿no? Now, we use it to say that perhaps you will or won't do something, ¿no? O sea, esa idea de quizás, ¿no? Tenemos un verbo en inglés que expresa eso, ¿no? Quizás llueva, pues it might rain, ¿no? Es posible, ¿ok? Now, let's have a look. We might have a picnic tomorrow. Perhaps we will have a picnic tomorrow, ¿no? Quizás, ¿no? Might or might not is the same for all persons como los demás modal verbs, ¿no? Son invariables siempre. And might not is not usually contracted, ¿ok? So eso sería un poco la excepción, ¿no? Can't, couldn't, shouldn't, pero might not, ¿no? Solemos evitar ahí la forma contraída. Now, we also need to pay attention because over here we've got may and may not. Now, you can also use may and may not for possibility, ¿no? Instead of might. Podemos sustituir might por may, might not por may not. Let's have a look. We may have a picnic tomorrow. I may not go to the party, ¿no? Es posible, puede que, quizás. Vaya o no vaya a la fiesta, ¿no? Hacemos un picnic o no. Vale. Now, let's have a look at some exercise. Now, take your time to do these exercises. Take your time. Take your time. Excuse me, Take your time to do the exercises. Let's look at letter A. Match the sentences. Well, we have an example. Perdona. Match the sentences. We have an example. Take some sun cream, letter D. It might be really sunny. No, quizás haga mucho sol. Llévate la crema, no, protectora, no? Very good. And letter B. Complete the sentences with might plus a verb phrase. Be cold, be ill, be in a meeting, go to the cinema. That's the example. Not have time, not like it, have fish and chips. Now, let's look at the example. I'm not sure what to do tonight. I might go to the cinema, ¿no? Quizás, puede que, es posible que vaya al cine. Now, take your time to do the exercises because right now we're going to correct. Are you ready? Now, let's correct, shall we? So, exercise A, number 1, letter H. Let's buy a lottery ticket. We might win, ¿no? Quizás ganemos, no, nos toque. Es posible que nos toque. Now, number 2, with letter G, phone the restaurant. It may be closed on Sundays. Aquí tenemos un ejemplo con may, pero significa lo mismo, quizás, ¿no? Esté cerrado o puede que cierre los domingos. Number 3, letter A, don't stand on the wall, you might fall. ¿No? Pues quizás te caigas. 4C, let's take a map, we might get lost. Pues puede que nos perdamos, es posible que nos perdamos. Number 5, letter B, try on the shirt, it may not be your size. Y lo mismo, otra frase con may, pero significa lo mismo, ¿no? Quizás no sea de tu talla, ¿no? Es posible. 6I, don't wait for me, I may be late, ¿no? Puede que llegue tarde, quizás llegue tarde, es posible que llegue tarde. Number 7, letter F, be careful with that knife, you might cut yourself. And letter E, with number 8, ask how much it costs, we may not have enough money. So far, so good? Let's look at exercise B, shall we? Complete the sentences with might plus a verb phrase. Well, number 1. Kim wasn't at school today. She might be ill. Number 2. His phone is turned off. He might be in a meeting. Number 3. It's an unusual book. You might not like it. Number 4. I don't know if I'll finish it. I might not have any time. Number 5, I'm not sure what to order. I might have fish and chips. Number 6, take a jacket. It might be cold. Now, if you have any problems, please let me know, because that's all for today. Thanks for watching.